Hello, everyone. My name is Alice Bila. I'm a marketing specialist at AtomPark. I'm here to tell you how to start making a profit from the Atomic Partnership. Partners promote our product using their own resources and get a 30% commission from each sale using a referral link. We're always looking for new partners, so I would be happy if after watching, you would register and become a part of our family. More info you can find in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and of course like this video. Watch the video to the end. I have something special for you. For starters, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a method of brand promotion on the web with the help of affiliates. Each affiliate has its own personal account with a referral link. If its audience does a targeted action, the partner gets a commission. After quickly registering, you'll get to the homepage of your personal account. There at the top will be your referral link and a hash followed by a set of letters and numbers at the end. This is your referral ID. With its help, you can assign any links to our website. For example, if you would like to promote Hunter, you need to take your referral ID and add it at the end of the page with this product. So when your potential customer clicks on it and buys our software, this sale is assigned and you get a commission. You can do it with any of the pages on our website. In addition, you can promote our products with banners. You'll find the Promotion tab, then go to the Banners and Links tab. And here you can find a lot of different banners, which you can copy and place on your web resource. There is also a third opportunity for promotion, promo codes. You can write to us at any time, and we will create a branded or individual promo code for you. We've talked about the possibilities. Now I suggest we move on to the main thing, where you can place all these links, banners, and promo codes. You can place your link on absolutely any web resource, for example on the website, including it in an article, or just add a banner to a few popular pages. If you're more into making videos, why not make a review of our products? Most importantly, don't forget to mention your affiliate link in the description so people don't miss it. You can also use social media. Add a link to posts, tweets, comments, and so on. Be helpful and relevant, and then people will reach out. And of course, I can't forget to mention mass mailing. Send emails to attract potential customers. Our software can help you with this. Hunter, Verifier, and others. The main thing is checking all contacts for validity before mailing, so don't get spam. As I said at the beginning, I have a special offer. If you write any comment under this video, make a confirmation screenshot and send it with the text "Hi" from YouTube to atompark.com, you'll get a 50% commission for the 3 months. I hope I was helpful to you. But if you still have questions, you can always contact us. Bye-bye and have a nice day.